to my channel. So today's video is all about DIY. I'll be sharing my most two favorite DIYs with you guys, and also a few secrets that I have in those DIYs. Something that works for my skin, that is less is always more. So I wouldn't tell anyone to that you'll get use this, you'll get results in just a week or two. You need to be very consistent and sustained with its use. So that is one thing that I would really like to tell you guys before doing anything. My face as well. So green tea has been the life-changing ingredient for me in my daily regime. So I will, the one thing that I will advise to everyone is that whichever DIY you are using first time on your face, make sure that you try a patch test at the back of your hand, and just don't go directly because it might irritate your skin and you might have lesions, redness. So just don't take risk, and always do try a patch test before applying. So guys, let's not waste any other moment and start our DIY.
So here I have some brewed green tea, and I let it cool for some minutes, few minutes, 2-3, and now I'm going to be adding raw honey. But if you don't have raw honey, then the normal honey that is in the market will do good too. So a good thing about green tea mask is that it fights your premature aging, it reduces acne, redness, and moisturizes your skin. Also, honey has a lot of antioxidant and antibacterial properties. So I try to use it each week, and I've been using it for almost 1.5 years. And it just gives me that so good, nourishing skin.
I'm going to start with my first DIY, which is the green tea and honey mask cum scrub, you can say, because as I said, like the gritty texture of it gives you that scrub feeling, and while washing off you can just scrub it out. So this is a great mask. So now I'm going to be applying it, and I'm also going to be telling you benefits that it has. And also, green tea has so many benefits, you guys. Wash my face, and this is what my face looks like.
Brown flour and a pinch of turmeric powder. Rose water is optional, I don't like to use it. So the good thing about turmeric is that it has anti-inflammatory qualities that can really target your pores and calms your skin. It is also known to reduce scarring. So the combination of uses may help your face clear up from acne breakouts as well, and it just adds glow to your face. Before applying your turmeric face mask, wash and dry your face to remove any makeup or impurities if you have, and also keep in mind that turmeric will turn fabric yellow, so consider putting on an old shirt.
So guys, here we have our next mask, turmeric. I have taken this out from refrigerator, and I'm going to apply. It feels so minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll wash my my DIY, just comment down below and let me know how you feel after applying it. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay safe, stay healthy and see you